Hello everyone, in this guide we'll be providing essential tips for Roblox game developers. If you're just starting out, you'll need to master the fundamentals. Starting with Roblox Studio, you'll need to become intimately familiar with Roblox Studio's interface and tools. Practice building, scripting, and utilizing the various features. Then understand the Explorer, properties, and toolbox panels. Next, you have Lua scripting. Invest time in learning Lua, which is Roblox scripting language. Grasp fundamental programming concepts like variables, functions, and events. Utilize Roblox developer documentation and online tutorials. And then you need to think about game design and development. You need to start small. Begin with small projects to build your skills and confidence. Focus on core gameplay mechanics before adding complex features. Plan your game. Develop a clear game concept and design document. Outline your game's mechanics, features, and target audience. Then prioritize gameplay. Ensure your game is fun and engaging. Focus on creating enjoyable gameplay experiences. Test often and get feedback. Optimization. Optimize your game for performance to reduce lag. Consider using different devices that players will be using to ensure compatibility. Then of course, a reward for your hard work, monetization, and growth. Explore various monetization options such as game passes and developer products. Balance monetization with providing a positive player experience. We hope these tips are helpful, and if you have any tips that have helped you as a game developer, let us know in the comment section below, and do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.